Have you ever thought of sewing an Elsa's costume to your loved one? Instead of spending few hundred or thousand to buy, we can learn how to sew it. Today, I will show you the simple and easy to understand way to craft it and get it down. Pattern drafting is an important step. I will show you to draft it in a simple way. First of all, we will learn what materials we use, and I will modify the design. They may have some changes. Secondly, we will learn how to make the snowflake brooch. I choose to make a real brooch instead of design so that we can wear it more often. Cutting materials is another interesting and challenging step. We will learn how to arrange and avoid waste of material. We will also learn how to sew French seam on organza material. We must also learn how to use normal sewing machine to sew lycra materials, what type of pressure foot and needles we need. Sewing lycra become easy now. Finally, we create tassels at the bottom of the skirt.
Here we go. Let's get started.